All I'm asking for from you is an apology. You went to watch the football the other day. You said you were going to be 2 hours, and I felt bad. I gave you my car because you had no money. You've absolutely rinsed it. You've come home 2 days later, and you cannot even say sorry without laughing. Where's the respect?
I do respect you, and I am sorry. I've tried to say sorry.
Well, go on then. Apologise.
I will. I will. Cause
Look at me.
I will. Just stop. You're putting me on the pressure. You're putting me on the spot. I genuinely am. I know I messed up. 2 days is bad, obviously. So for that reason, I am sorry.
No, you've got to be taking the piss. If you keep this
We've
up,
just
I'm going to
watched
go.
a comedy. We've just watched
That
a
is
comedy.
not a comedy.
I can't.
Don't change the subject. If you don't give me a proper apology, I'm going.
I know it takes piss when I tell you I'm going to go out for 2 hours and then I'll come back 2 days later. So I do apologise.
Wow.
Do you know what? It's from when I was at school. You know, like when you're told you have to be quiet or not to laugh, and you automatically laugh.
Well,
Like you
grow up. That's it. If you can't even say sorry, I'm just. There's no
can
point
say sorry.
having the conversation.
I will say sorry. I'm being serious. I will say sorry. I am like. I do respect.
Oh, just fuck off.